Hello, my name is MAHAMMADRAHUF from first year ECE branch. Startup company name Electron. Product present name bag. Product producer name uh, specs. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the products as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, in the bag, they involve materials that are more suitable and durable, smart features, and even customizable shape or size. Imagine bags that adapt to weather with materials that keep your belongings to cool in summer and warm in winter. Define stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing products. Existing name bag, futuristic product name tech packs. Ideates. Some of the addition features to be added are mentioned here. First one, recycling and organic materials. Second one, AI powered customization. Third, interactive features. Fourth one, modular design. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint and mentor advice to draw a sketch. A sketch is given below. Testing. I request to viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you. Okay.